Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon and never miss any updates only on Perfect Portraits by Ankush Mukherjee. The monkey god Hanuman is known to be invincible and immortal. Hanuman was the son of Vayu, the god of wind, and Anjana, a celestial nymph. Hanuman was gifted with great powers by various mighty gods. Brahma said that no weapon would ever hurt Hanuman and that he will be able to change his form at will and travel wherever he chose. Indra blessed him that his body would be stronger than any weapon. Varuna, the god of ocean, offered him protection from water. Agni, the god of fire, blessed him with immunity to fire. Surya, the sun god, gave him the power to change the size of his body. Yama blessed him with good health and immortality. With all these boons, Hanuman became a great warrior who played a very crucial role in the Ramayana. Hanuman considered to be one of the greatest worshippers and a great devotee of Lord Rama, even centuries after the events of Ramayana till today. The legend remains within our heart as one of the greatest god idols the world has ever witnessed. All hail Bajrangbali.